eating Din Tai Fung. This is going to be a nice early dinner. This restaurant is in 2071 inside South Coast Plaza in Orange County, and it is on the second floor.
A couple things to let you guys know about before
Anything
we get
new?
started. I'm not quite sure. You can go ahead and ask your server, they'll know. We do ask that you keep on your masks until they finish taking your order. And then we're also only doing card payments. But if you guys want to see the picture book menu, you could go ahead and scan this barcode. It'll take you to our picture book.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes. All right.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, the menu.
Let me see. The menu is in the app. And that's better. You can see the food better. So this is the bag of the day that I'm taking with me here in the restaurant with my friend Anna. That
Beef noodle soup.
is the beef noodle soup. So I have to wrap myself with the napkins. So I have two in my lap right here too. I don't want to ruin my outfit. It's just so beautiful and so white. I don't want to spill any soy sauce.
That's why I would hear her all the time.
Enjoy! Thank you. This is the satay green string beans with garlic. We start with the beef, braised beef soup.
You can cook noodle. You can cook your substitute noodle.
Yeah. It's too long. There you go. Beautiful. They look so substantial.
Okay, now let me cook for mine.
I'm sure it's very tasty and yummy. It's flavorful. I remember this before. Oh my god, this is so delicious. It's full of flavor.
I get shrimp fry.
Oh my god, shrimp fried rice. So this is one of my favorite as well. It's so flavorful. The bone broth, it tastes like beef. It seems like it has a lot of nutrients. You like it? Yeah, let's try the shrimp. This is my favorite here. This is shrimp fried rice. So let's try. And now we have the chicken dumpling.
Hot now.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at this shrimp. It's so glazy. I love it. It has a lot of flavor. So yummy. This is the most popular vegetable here. It's the green string beans with garlic. Oh my god.
You like it?
They taste so healthy. Yeah. It's so fresh.
Yesterday I tried to and I eat only salad, but today I'm we have it again.
And you can eat it with shrimp. What a lovely meal. I think I'm gonna have just a spoon. It's easier to eat the rice with spoon. So yummy. This one is chicken dumpling. They also have pork, a lot of pork menu here, but I don't eat pork, so We all have chicken and beef, but yes, they have very good pork dumplings and other menu with pork. Mmm, it's so juicy. The dumpling is so juicy.
Yeah. You like it or not?
I like it. The beef is actually very tender. It's so tender, Anna. It just melts in your mouth. It's so perfectly done. I love it, and it's very flavorful. I like to put the chili oil spice on my soup. Like this. Look at how juicy the dumplings. Look at that juice inside the dumpling. Whoops, I dropped it. But yeah, it's very juicy and it's actually dripping. I keep dropping it. So delicious. The best dumpling in here in Orange County. So the most favorite of the day is this chicken dumpling. It's really good. It's very juicy inside. Oh my god, it squirts. It's so juicy that it squirts when you bite it. Very tasty, very flavorful. And I like to dip it in the red chili and soy sauce like this. Perfect combination. Wow, I cleaned my plate and the bowl. It's so delicious, yummy, very flavorful. For my drink, this is the sea salt cream top green tea. They also come in a black tea. This is their popular drink here. You could add boba if you want for extra 75 cents. Menu here with the prices. And the other side. Oh my god, it's so nice, it's so calming. It feels like you're drinking jasmine oil. It has the jasmine taste to it and aroma. It's very nice, it's not very sweet, it's very tasty. I really like it. I recommend this drink. I usually order my drink at the end of the meal with the dessert, and so I'm waiting for the dessert now. Anna is full. I don't know if she can join me with the dessert, so I can't wait. Wow!
The steaming, that's
The
why.
steam.
I thought it was
So this is the sweet taro dessert, sweet taro bun, and this is the extra large. So it comes with a 10 buns. This is one of the best Taiwanese restaurant here in Orange County. It's located inside South Coast Plaza. Such amazing food today. Everything was just freshly cooked, I can tell. So it's so worth it. Let me try this sweet taro bun. It's looking so cute. Very cute and yummy. Let's see how it tastes. I will tell you here in a second. So nice and warm. It's very fresh from the oven. It just melts in your mouth as well. It tastes so good. I really like it. Let's try another one. It was also smoking hot. No!
If you eat another one, when you bring home, you have to steam again.
It's so good. And it just blends well with their drink. Oh my god. Perfect couple. Perfect combination. Here she is. She looks so pretty. It's very fresh. The sweetness is just very natural. I didn't think they added sugar to this. Just the sweetness of the taro complements and fills up this bun very well. So delicious. It's so perfect for dessert after eating all the spicy food. It's so rich with taro, all taro inside. I don't think there's other ingredients.
And then have a crab.
So delicious, very flavorful. I really enjoyed my dine here today. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm very excited. I will be going out again. It's time to go out and do some food vlog for you. And I look forward to that. I hope you like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Have some takeaway food. That was indeed the best Taiwanese food I ever had in a long time. If you're in South Coast Plaza, make sure to check out this restaurant. You will really love this restaurant, so don't forget to check them out and try. Have a good day wherever you are, and I hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.